This is the Case International booth at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. We're on top of their newest and latest combine. You see the Case IH quad track, tractor with 4 rubber tracks right there, and rather large disc, planter. They've also got some kind of display. I think it has to deal with their variable transmission. This tractor, you can see, is suspended on rollers or drums of some sort, and they're operating the tractor. This is your Case International booth at the National Farm Machinery Show 2010.